3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampolizali, a mastermind of campanology, KTR Kyle the ringer.
What's ringing, guys? It's Carl the Ringer here, and today this is a vid for my YouTube and my Facebook. This vid is mostly for if it still works. I managed to get the hour to chime by itself when I pulled the test lever, which it hasn't been doing, and I've had to do manually. So first, I think it's because of the weight on so let me pull it up a bit then. Alright, pulled it up a bit. Now let's pull the test lever and see. Oh, let's see. See, it's starting to work a bit on its own. If you look and see, guys, yeah, and all it just needs is a bit of cleaning and oiling, and all it just needs is some clock oil. It needs oiling and just a little bit of cleaning and a bit of maintenance, and then hopefully I should have it working. The way to get the pendulum to work, I think I need to loosen this up a bit, cause if you look at how it swings when I do it, look, see, if you look at it through there, guys, see, it's supposed to swing a bit, but it's really not doing it that much. So I'd say all it needs is a little bit of oiling done and a bit of maintenance, and then it should work. Let's show. Not getting the quarter chimes working yet. But let's see, yeah, you see, it just needs one little tug and then you see it works. So, I'm thinking of attaching something to it with a bit of weight so the chimes work. If it doesn't work after I've oiled it, after I've got clock oil, but, so if you look, yeah, it does work on its own sometimes. If I just leave it, it does work sometimes. So you can see, guys, this clock I bought from Karen Jung. Don't worry, Karen Jung, I will soon have it working fully, cause at first it wasn't chiming itself at all, and I had to either pull a little bit like that or just right here, if you look at my finger here, push that to get it to chime. Well, whoops, careful of my camera, but yeah, that it's working better than it was before. So when I pull these back, if you see if I do this, not that, and you see if it wasn't even chiming the quarters when I pushed it like that. And then, is that it? Cause it... Is it working alright now? Oh, did 2 chimes on its own. But you can see, guys, that it's getting better now. So I'm gonna end it for this update vid on the clock. So don't worry, YouTube. Soon after I'm ready, I'll link my Facebook. Yeah, I'm waiting until I live on my own up at where I'm getting my new flat soon, so I'm hoping you enjoy this update vid cause it's finally doing the chimes on its own, and I'll work more stuff out with it. But if you enjoyed looking at this, also stay chimed for the update vid once I oil it, cause I'm planning on getting some clock oil soon. But please subscribe for future content and future updates, and stay chimed for future updates on this clock. And until next time, ring out.
Check it out.
Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content. And until next time,